And this is going to be a tutorial and review. And I'm going to review Velveeta Shells and Cheese Original Kraft Mac and Cheese that you microwave. So what you do is you open it, take the cheese pack out, fill the water up to the fill line. It has arrows pointing to it. Then you get a spoon and stir it. Or a fork, whatever. Stir it a little. And you put it in the microwave for about 3.5 minutes uncovered. And you wait. Well, and yeah, that's the. Then after that, you put the cheese sauce in, and then you stir it really good, and then wait for 2 minutes before you can eat it. Well, that's the tutorial on how to make Velveeta mac and cheese. Have a lovely day or night. Bye.